Hello guys, this is Hotman and welcome back to my channel where you get cool tech stuff and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a train animation on Termux app. Whether you're a new user or you are new in using Termux to code, well, this tutorial will guide you through. So let's jump right in. First is to make sure you have a working Termux app installed on your device. You can download Termux from Chrome or you can get one from my channel. Now the reason I would advise you to get it from Play Store is that script command doesn't work on theirs, but for this it works perfectly. Next is to make sure you have an active internet connection on your device. So before you access Termux application, you make sure that you have turned on your data on your device. Alright, so I'll go ahead and open mine by tapping on it and wait for mine to load fully. Okay, so what we do on this application is that we run commands on it, and this app helps us execute those commands and give us a desirable result. For this video tutorial, we saw a cool train animation that ran through the screen, and that is what we want to get here by running this command. So the first command that we are going to be running here, more especially for the new users, you are going to be running this command so that you won't get any error in the other commands that you'll be running on this Termux application. And that command is the apt update and the apt upgrade command. So we'll go ahead and type it. I have already typed in this command before, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be typing it again to send. So we go ahead and type the apt. Make sure you don't make any mistake and you write it the same way I'm writing it. Update, you put your semicolon, then you put the apt, you give your spacing, then upgrade. Okay, so this is the apt update and the apt upgrade. So you go ahead and send it and you allow it to load fully. Okay, in my case, you know, I have loaded this before, that is why it didn't take any time. You can see 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed. But in your case, because this has not yet updated on your you haven't run this command on your device, so it will take some long time before it can finish loading. And while it is loading, it will get to a point when you will see it will want you to type in Y or N. So you type in N and it will continue executing the command until it gives you the last command, which is this, where you can now run your second command. And the second command that we are running here is the pkg install sl. So I'll be typing it pkg, give your spelling, your spacing, sorry, then install, make sure you type it correctly, install, give your spacing, then sl, then you send that command and you allow it to load. After it has loaded successfully, then you can load the last command, which is sl. So when we send this command, when we type the enter button, we are going to see the magic that will happen. So let me tap on the enter button, and boom, you can see this cool looking train animation appears on our screen. Don't you think that is cool? So if you want to repeat the train animation again, you can just simply type on SL and you send it and it displays it again. You can repeat it, you can repeat this SL over and over again, and it keeps on displaying this train animation for you. So that is how you can easily get this cool train animation to display on your Termux application. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button, and if you're a new user on this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you don't miss out on any other amazing content like this. This is me, Hotman, signing off. Bye bye.